Join me as I take on the challenge of earning $1,000 in just 1 week using 5 top AI tools. Imagine an extra $1,000 in your bank every week without burning out. It sounds like a dream, but with the right AI tools, this could be within reach. Today, I'm sharing 5 AI tools that can help boost your income and make a real impact on your financial life. We've all been there working long hours and still not getting ahead. Maybe you want to start a side hustle but aren't sure where to begin. Earning extra money often takes time, effort, and know-how. If you're short on any of these, it can feel like an uphill battle. Time is a big hurdle for most people. Between work, family, and everything else, finding space for more can seem impossible. And even if you know how to start, uncertainty or fear of failure might hold you back. But what if AI could help with these obstacles? The right AI tools can automate tasks, saving you time and energy, making it easier to bring in that extra cash. Let's explore the top 5 AI tools that can help you earn $1,000 a week. First, AI Tool 1 is Jasper AI. It connects you to high-paying freelance gigs. Whether you're a writer, designer, or coder, it uses machine learning to match your skills with opportunities and assists in crafting proposals so you can land the job fast. Next, AI Tool 2 is Pencil AI. It is for starting an online business. This tool handles AI-powered marketing strategies, helping you target the right audience and increase sales. No marketing or design skills needed. It creates ads and landing pages that convert, boosting your revenue. AI Tool 3 is Affiliate. It is for affiliate marketing. It analyzes the best performing programs and guides you to the most profitable ones to promote. It even helps with content creation and social media, making it easier to earn commissions from products you trust. AI Tool 4 is Designer. It supports digital product creators. Whether you're making books, courses, or templates, this AI helps design high-quality products quickly. It also assists with sales pages and marketing, so you can start selling without a hitch. Finally, AI Tool 5 is TradingView. It is perfect for those into stock or crypto trading. It offers real-time market insights and smart trading advice using AI algorithms. Even if you're new to trading, this tool can help you make smarter, more profitable moves. In conclusion, these 5 AI tools can help change your financial game. Whether you're looking to make ends meet or just want some extra cash, these tools can streamline your work and unlock new income streams. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're excited to try. And if you want more tips on generating income, don't forget to check out my other videos. See you next time.